In moments of farewell, we're reminded of life's fragility and its finite nature. Today we said goodbye to a cousin of ours, and I'm just reminded that our time here is precious. It's a stark invitation to, live more deeply, to love more passionately, and to do the work that matters. Work that leaves a fingerprint, a footprint on the fabric of time, right? We each have a limited number of days to make an impact and to craft a legacy that outlasts our footsteps. So let's make them count. Let's fill our lives with endeavors that ring true to our soul's calling and share our best selves with the world. In honor of all the loved ones who we've lost, let's pledge to live not just for the sake of passing days, but to enrich the world with our best work, our kindest words, our bravest actions.